How to delete your ShopPay account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your ShopPay account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your ShopPay application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here in the top right, you will find your profile picture or the initial. Tap on it to open your profile page. In this page, you need to scroll down, and at the bottom right, you will be able to see this gear or the settings icon. Tap on settings. Once doing that, you will reach to your settings page. Here in this list, you need to find data and privacy option. Once you find the option, tap on it to open it. And once you reach to this page, here at the very bottom, you will be able to see delete account option. Now go ahead and tap on delete account. Now you will be taken to this page. Here it says when you delete your account, your email address and phone number will be deleted, and this action can't be undone. Once you do so, your account will be permanently deleted. If you agree with that, then go ahead and tap on delete account button right here, and then confirm it by tapping on delete account once more. Now wait for a while, and then you will see your account has been successfully deleted. Now all your data including your email address and password has been successfully removed. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your ShopPay account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.